Hello guys and welcome back. My name is Kazamoidi and in this video I'm going to talk about the rows. What are rows in the Flutter? What does each this widget do? We have two common items, the common widget in the Flutter which can take multiple items as is elements. One of them is column and another one is row. I'm going to talk about the rows for now, and in the next video I'm going to talk about the columns. But for now, what are rows? A row is a widget that takes multiple elements in its widget as a parameter and make them follow some rules like this. It should all items should be uh, sequence like this. They're going to place each item after each item like this horizontally, not vertically. It's going to place all items in this parameter uh, horizontally. We have main axis in it and cross axis. Main axis is the part of row that is horizontally, okay, as item are placed horizontally, then main axis is the horizontal one and cross axis is the vertical one, so you need to be careful of that. Let's go ahead and take a look at the code. Let me open the Android Studio for you and to see. I created a project before, so you do not create the project. I do not want to waste your time. It's a simple project which doesn't have a simple widgets and it doesn't have anything else as simple text in it. I'm going to place some text in it horizontally, for example this one, this one, this one. In order to do that, let's go ahead and do. I'm going to replace this widget with a widget called row. Okay, as you can see, if I press Control space in it, we have a parameter called children. If I enter it, and it takes a list of widgets, as you can see, it takes a list of widgets as these elements. So let me add some elements for it. For example, I am Kazem, I am Moridi, and that's it. If I take a look at it, you can see we have two items placed after each other horizontally. If you have multiple one, then again it's same. But you need to be careful of our size error, which is right now it's our flow by 400 pixels. We're going to talk about how to fix this one, but for now you need to understand that by doing that we can place items after items easily. And we also have two parameters for row. One of them is main axis alignment, which take a main axis alignment. We have a center, as you can see, it's placed it in the center. We also have end, which is going to place it in the end, or a start, which is going to place at the start of that, or even the space around, or a space evenly, and that's it. We have a lot of values or parameter for it. We do also have the cross-axis alignment, which takes again cross-axis alignment. For now, I do not think that does anything because actually right now, as you can see, it cross-axis alignment is part of the text, which only works when these items are cover the full screen. But right now, as we use the uh, as we use the center widget, all items are currently at the center of it, and the height of it exactly the same as this item. Because of that, it won't be aligned to the center. And that's it for now. I think that's enough for the rows. For the columns, they are exactly the same as rows. Let's take a look at that. If I replace the column with the rows with column and Control S, as you can see, it do exact same thing as a row. And we can also use the centers, and they are exactly the same as before. For example, you can use center, which put all of them in the center. But if you do that, and you can see, it has some because again, because column doesn't actually uh, take all the screen of the, just it's exactly the same width of this item, and because of that this cross axis alignment doesn't work. And for the around, exactly the same. Between, as you can see, it take a space, it's going to stack to from the top and from bottom and fill the space between them. If you add another one item in between, you can see it's going to take most space. So a space between works like this: first item at the first one, and second one at the bottom, and another item at the between of them. So first and the last one works like this. We do also have the space around, which is going to take same space for the first and the last one, and again uh, divide the next item space by itself. We will also have evenly, which will go into the same space for each item, not the first and the last one. I think that's enough for now. If you like my video, please consider liking my video or leaving a comment, or even if you want to follow my videos more, please consider subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Happy